Hello everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to make sentences in future tense. By now, you probably know that making sentences in Hindi using different tenses means changing the suffix behind the root verb. So let's start with the first person pronoun. I'll take an example. I will eat samosa. So for masculine gender, you take the first person pronoun, that is मैं, and then your noun, and then the root verb gets unga sound at the end of the root verb. For the feminine gender, the root verb takes the sound of ungi at the end of the root verb. So it becomes मैं samosa खाऊंगी. Now for the second person pronoun, which is you, let's take an example. That is, you will eat samosa. So it could be tum or aap samosa खाओगे. So the root verb gets the sound of oge at the end of the root verb. Going ahead with the third person pronoun, which would either be he or she, or it could be someone's name also. So he or she will eat samosa. वह or यह samosa खाएगा. So the ega sound at the end of root verb for masculine gender and ege sound at the end of root verb for the feminine gender. So वह समोसा खाएगा or वह समोसा खाएगी.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy the video, please let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can catch up my next video.